It's 10:30 in the morning on Tuesday, March 12th. It's about 60 degrees outside. Very cloudy. There's a breeze blowing from different directions. Humid and cool. Okay, that's my neighbor's new bull. He's like 2 years old now. My goodness, you make a lot of noise. Anyway, we are doing a cattle drive. It's gonna be almost a mile long, I think. No, it's gonna be like 3/4 of a mile long. So the cows, they're gonna go down along the fence line until they reach the sheep pen area. Then we're gonna go around the sheep pen, go north and then back, continue along the fence line all the way to the north of my field. I have everything wired up. It's not charged, it's just wire. And we're just gonna do a slow and steady move for the calves, because the calves are probably not used to moving so far, but they should have plenty of energy. Looks like some of the calves have already crossed the wire. They decided that they would rather travel over there than with the crowd. So yeah, that's all of them. They all left on their own. They were hollering at me when I came out to the field. They said, "We don't want hay, we want grass." And they're saying all kinds of things to me. The good news is they're getting grass. So pardon me while I turn on my side-by-side and drive down the road to follow them. I'll show the new area to them. Oh, hold on, I gotta grab the hose. Drag the hose. Okay, here we go. This is not safe driving. I have a hose in one hand and a camera in the other. It's okay, there's no cops here on my property. Here, I'll hold it like this. Come on, little buddy. No, number 24. Number 24 is stupid. Yeah, the calf's knocked over the wire. She'll probably come back and follow the rest of the cows. I'm still waiting for 2 more calves. I'm hoping the bulls don't cross the wire. There's 4 wires between the bulls and the cows, but I can see the bulls are getting close to the cows, so I gotta kind of push them forward. 24 is offside. She's not gonna cross back very easily, but she will be near the herd. I should be able to get her into the pasture once we get down there. Come on, guys. Yeah, getting some grass, huh? Come on. And number 24 out there by herself. The grass is very good at the north of the field. Hasn't been grazed. I put the sheep and the dogs on there, but it hasn't been seriously grazed since, I want to say, October. So looks like some of the calves are messing around with the wire. You know? Alright, I'm just gonna speed up here. There they go. I was planning to walk the whole way, but I find that when I walk, the cows can get ahead of me very quickly, and I'm just chasing the shadow. So if you want to see what the cows are doing, you really have to be on the side-by-side here. There's a lot of excitement here in the sheep pen. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, gotta turn the wheel. I should have used the camera to do that. Yeah, they're rounding the corner now. Okay, use the other hand, use the other hand. Turn. Sorry about that. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop, turn the wheel. There we go. Get it going straight, and then grab the hose again with my hand. Come on, 413. Get me a beautiful calf this year. The cows are seeing grass, and they're gonna try to stop and eat the grass for a moment, but they're gonna continue on once they see me coming. They know that there's better grass up ahead and bigger pastures. This is just the runway. So another calf is offsides. guys get tired. They'll move. All right. There's my Brangus, my Brahman Angus right there. Turn the wheel now. Come on, let's go. When I did the calf census yesterday, I missed number 26. That's the only one I missed. Oh, I dropped the hose. I'm gonna try sticking this in here or something. I'll show you what I'm doing. There. Maybe that'll hold on to it. Okay, let's go. And I have one free hand, more or less. The hose is staying put. No, now it's not. It's kind of locked in there. I don't want it to put pressure on that latch. So here's what I'll do. I'll use my foot. I'll step on the hose. There we go. Okay, the cows see that there's more. The grass here is pretty decent compared to the southern half of the field. We're in the southern half of the field, but it's pretty decent compared to the southernmost part of the field. But it gets better. There's 21 or 19. They should be coming. Whoa! Of course, the bulls are lining up. They want to taste. Did one of the bulls get out? I don't see the third bull. I think one of the bulls got out. That's going to be a problem. Nope, he's over there on the south side of the pen. These two are on the north side. Oh, a calf just jumped the fence. I've just got part of the herd now. The rest of the herd is staying behind. The wind is blowing quite strong. Oh, there goes my hat. Come on, Brownie, go. Put the hat in the back of my side-by-side here. I don't need a hat. It's not raining. It's not sunny. Here comes other cows. So these sheep are bonded with the cows. They probably want to be with the cows. I'll go back and get those guys later if they don't come. Hey there. That calf is like, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I jumped the fence and now I need to jump the fence again. I'll get him later. Come on, little guys. They're making a run for it. I gotta drop off the water here and the minerals. You can see my neighbor's cows are excited too. This is the neighbor's pasture where the bull will jump the fence. I haven't seen the bull yet this morning. Kind of wondering where he is. Come on, Blue. Come on. Come on, Blue. Let's go. Come on. We're almost there. Oh, there's Red. The neighbor's bull, his name is Red. Not to be confused with my cow, this name is Red. You know, we come up with completely original names when we name our animals. All right, let's go. This is where I think he jumps the fence. And we have a high tensile wire on the top, but that's ground. That's not charged or anything. It wouldn't matter anyway if he's in the air when he jumps the fence, you know. So I'm gonna, when they get to this part of the pasture, I'm gonna make an area 1/3 of the field wide. That'll be my my stockpile for the summer. And so that'll be 300 feet from between the cows and the bull, and that should be enough to keep them separated. You know, if they're not directly smelling each other, they should be fine. So that's my plan. Oh boy, number 21. Yeah, number 21 is, I might sell her this week because her calf died, obviously. And probably sell Dusty as well. And this week, so they'll be in this first row, and that's where the pin is, over there in the north east corner of my pasture. So when they get there, I'll just pin up the ones I'm going to sell, and then sell them, take them to the sale barn. Okay, they're at the new area. I'm going to set up the water, and you can see here the grass is a lot better than it was up down there in the south. So let's go set it up. I got the crosswire set up, so this is just 1/7 of the pasture of the row. These little posts, I put the wires out. These are electrified. I put them over the quick connect system so the cows don't step on it. So pulling out the hose. There we go. Just drop that there for now. Then might as well leave the minerals here. And then I'll put the water pump somewhere. I'll just drive around until I find a good spot. So this is not all the cows. There's quite a bit more. I'm going to go back and probably just manually chase them on foot. So there we go. Let's get a level. That's pretty level. Hopefully the hose is tight. We'll find out in a second. Sorry about the wind noise. Yeah. It's easier to get kinks out when there's water pressure. Here comes the quick connect. So I'm just gonna clean off the end there. There, it's connected. Now we look for any kinks. There's 2 kinks here. There, that's probably good enough. This is where the water comes into the property right here. So the water pressure is going to be the best here. I use 1-inch PEX for the entire pasture. It runs almost half a mile down towards that end. And then I set up wire along this northern edge, about 1,000 feet. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm going to go back and get the rest of the cows. They should all come down here one way or the other. So have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.